to my attention that somebody wants a particular tune played that I think is a shit tune. I'd like you all now to please point and laugh at this person's shitty music taste. 1, 2, 3.
I don't do requests. No, 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 hip hop. No, house. No, dubstep. No, I don't do requests. No, electronic. No, EDM. No, dance music. No, I don't do requests. No, I don't do it. No, I don't do it. No, I don't do it. No, I don't do it.
Play this tune on my phone, bruv.
No.
It's my friend's birthday! It's my friend's birthday! That's a happy birthday, Sandra!
No, I don't think so.
Can you play something more like EDM? Like, I don't like dance music.
Get off the stage.
What, mate? You got any?
No.
Hey, can I come on stage and spill beer all over your equipment?
No.
Hey, if you like that song that goes like ba ba wee ba 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 ba.
Yes. Yes.
No, I don't do it well.